What happens when you start eating dates every day? Dates are a nutritious fruit packed with lots of minerals, vitamins, and fiber. Dates offer several health benefits. In this video, we will explore what happens when you start eating dates every day. Dates grow on the date palm tree, also known as Phoenix dactylifera. Dates are believed to have originated in the Middle East and North Africa. Dates come in several varieties, including medjool, deglet nor, and barhi. Medjool dates are known for their large size and soft texture, while deglet nor dates are smaller and have a firmer texture. Barhi dates are known for their sweet flavor and soft, chewy texture. Let's discuss the key benefits of eating 2 dates every day that are also documented by lots of research and professionals. Dates are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, such as potassium, magnesium, copper, manganese, and vitamin B6. Dates contain fiber, which promotes digestive health by preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Dates are a great source of natural sugars, such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which provide energy to the body. Dates are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels. Dates contain vitamin B6, which has been shown to improve brain function and reduce the risk of neurological disorders. Dates are a good source of calcium, which is important for maintaining strong bones. Dates contain several compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. Make sure to keep a healthy diet along with an active lifestyle. Please note that while dates offer several health benefits, they are also high in calories and should be consumed in moderation. Additionally, individuals with a tree nut allergy may also be allergic to dates. Since dates are so nutritious, eating them will most likely improve your health. Overall, dates are a versatile and nutritious fruit that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways.